Here is the power supply unit. It has to be connected to an alternating current socket. So it's not powered by battery, but electricity. Alternating current, not a direct one. Ito.
System is starting up. Please use TDC app to configure the device.
Pati speaker.
Waiting for connection.
So let's connect it to a wired internet. Here is the wired connection towards an internet modem. One, two, three, 4, 5.
Reset succeeded. Your device is starting up. Please wait.